I actually worked at New York and I was working at Goldman Sachs. It's a very good career and everything, but then something wasn't right? Something was like, didn't feel quite normal. I felt like I needed to do something more. আমার সবসময় মনে হতো যে দেশের সঙ্গে somehow একটা কিছু connection দরকার. We formed a voluntary group called দৃষ্টিপাত. We started a blog which was very popular called Unheard Voices. We supported many different types of projects. And I got to know a lot of people through this process as well. And then I started coming back to Bangladesh quite frequently. This was giving me the food for my soul. This is giving me so much pleasure. Maybe I should try working in this development sector. And I decided, what better way to do it rather than coming back to Bangladesh. So Bangladeshe যখন ফিরে আসার একটা decision নিলাম, I just decided that আমি বাংলাদেশের small business গুলো নিয়ে কাজ করব. I was 36 at that time, and I thought that if I don't take this chance right now, সারা জীবন আমার মধ্যে এটা থাকবে যে what if I moved back to Bangladesh?